Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all safe. In today's video, we're going to look at prepositions of place. A preposition of place is used to refer to a place where someone or something is. For example, the teacher is in the classroom. The salt is on the table. Today, we are going to look at 6 prepositions of place. In, on, under, next to, behind, and between. Watch until the end of the video, where I will give you a very good tip to learn English. We will use the following vocabulary in this lesson. A guitar. A guitar. A lamp. A lamp. An alarm clock. An alarm clock. A pencil case. A pencil case. A calculator. A calculator. A sharpener. A sharpener. Let's use these prepositions and words together. Read the sentences and look at the pictures on the screen. The alarm clock is on the table. The alarm clock is on the table. The ruler is under the laptop. The ruler is under the laptop. The sharpener is between the lamp and the picture. The sharpener is between the lamp and the picture. The pencil is in the pencil case. The pencil is in the pencil case. The guitar is next to the lamp. The guitar is next to the lamp. Make sure you don't miss any words. Some learners tend to miss out some words, like the verb or the article. So it's not the alarm clock on the table. That's wrong. The alarm clock is on the table. It's not the ruler is under laptop. The ruler is under the laptop. It's not the pencil is in pencil case. The pencil is in the pencil case. Now it's your turn. Look at the pictures on the screen and answer the questions. Question number 1. Where is the picture? Where is the picture? Question number 2. Where is the clock? Where is the clock? Question number 3. Where is the water bottle? Where is the water bottle? Question number 4. Where is the calculator? Where is the calculator? Question number 5. Where is the disposable face mask? Where is the disposable face mask? And question number 6. Where are the slippers? Where are the slippers? Be careful with the last question. It is in the plural form. So you don't use is, use are when answering the question. Let's do a recap. What do you have to do? Question number 1. Where is the picture? Question number 2. Where is the clock? Question number 3. Where is the water bottle? Question number 4. Where is the disposable face mask? Question number 5. Where is the calculator? And finally, question number 6. Where are the slippers? Where are the slippers? Also, can you describe where things are in your room or in your house? Where is the TV? Where is your bag? Where are your shoes? You can leave your answers in the comments section below, or you can join my Facebook group. You will find it in the description below, and you can post your answers there. I want you to remember something and write it down if it helps. Learning is repetition, which means the more you repeat, the more you will learn. For example, practice using these prepositions and words in your own sentences. Write them down and repeat them. Work with your classmates on a Zoom call. Practice your questions and answers. Describe where things are in your home, in your room, and then ask your partner to do the same. Ask your classmate to do the same. And the more you do this, the more you will understand and the more fluent you will get. Fluent means to speak a language easily, well, and quickly. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram as well. So, see you in the next lesson. Until then, bye-bye.